Hello everyone, in today's class we will learn how to create an alarm system using the microbits. So the idea of this project is that at the tilt of our microbits, when attached to an object, it makes beeping sound. That means that when your object is moved from another place to other, you have this beeping sound and then displays images and text shouted each other. Okay, so at the beginning, which is our start block, our basic block, you see the string alarm system and you type the show length. So I can actually edit the length. And anytime I do this editing, it reflects in my simulator. Now the on tilt left it's an input. So I got it from this. I brought out the on shake, then block, and I selected the tilt left or tilt right. So this is how I did that. Then for the music, I went to the music block and I brought out this and I selected a turn of mic show. Then of course the show string and the show icon is from a basic block. So when you upload this, you can actually attach your microbits to what about your school bag or any items that you do not want to be stolen. Alright. So this is the end of today's class. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye everyone for now. See you in the next class.